What's up, guys? This is a mini disc lock. It's real small. I got it from BabyGzz. Thanks a lot for the lock. It works very well. One thing that's interesting about it though, not sure why, but the plug can turn slightly without setting any of the pins. Kind of has a springy feel to it. So it's hard to tell if you have a false set or whatnot, but I'm going to try to single pin pick it with a fail-safe style hook with a half diamond on the end of it. And there it is, it's opened. And that's it. It's a Roluxe stainless steel disc lock. Peace.